Hello everyone, this is Ace Mom Pinay in Korea and welcome to my channel. Please guys enjoy this video that I made for you, for all of you. This is shot in South Korea. I mean the place is in South Korea of course because I'm here in South Korea. I just want to share to you, to all of you guys, the beautiful view of South Korea in just around my neighborhood during summer seasons. Actually it's not that hot at this time. It's just spring, so the place, the nature is so beautiful. It's all green, so I made this video guys for you, for all of you to just relax and enjoy. And please don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.
Can't believe we started